Hello, how are you? I hope you are fine. In previous lecture of HTML5 series, we learn about bold, strong, italic, underline, abbreviation, mark, center, tab, etc. I hope you understand it very well. Today we will learn about HTML5 link. There are two types of link. Our website page is linked to another website. Number two is our website page linked to another page of a website. Now I will show you by practical, right? We will open our editor. I will make new file, right? I will set the title HTML5 links. I will save the file G HTML5 links.html, right? In previous lecture we learned about command. Here we will use the command, right? For this I will start less than factorial dash dash, then dash dash, and greater than sign, right? Inside this I will write the command link to another website, right? Link to another website. For this I will start the hyperlink tag, right? I will end it. Here I will type the link to open the delete info website. In link tag there is an attribute href, right? Href. Here we will type the link of the website. When the user clicks on the link, it will go to that particular website. We can say we type the link of the destination file, right? If we do not know the name of a website, in a doodle we will type direct info, right? It will give us the link of the website. We will copy the link by copy. Here I will paste it, right? I will save the page and I will open the web page, right? G HTML5 and links, right? You can see if I will delete on the link, when I will delete on the link, it will open the website ESPN info, right? But here there is one important point. When we click on the link, it opens the new website in the same tab, right? So for this there is an attribute in the link tag target blank, right? I will save it. I will reload the page. Now you can see when I will click on the link, it will open the website in the new tab, right? You can see new website, old web page, right? Now I will tell you our website page is linked to another page of our website, right? Hyperlink, right? about us. We made a page of about us, right? In h in hyperlink there is an attribute href, right? In href we will give the link of the another page. We can say its name is about.html, right? I will save it, but it will not exist, so I will make a new file new. I will set the title about us. I will save this file with the name we give in the href about.html, right? .html. It will save in the same folder where our other file is exist, right? Save. My name is Rizwan Shehzad, right? I will save it. I will reload the page. It will show both link in the same line. I will go to the, I will put here line break br, then save it. Now we right now I will link on. When I link on the about, when I click on the link about us, it will go to the about us page. My name is Rizwan Shehzad, right? Now there's a one more link is the mailto, right? Mailto is used to send the mail using mailto in HTML, right? I will type a send us email, right? In a link there is the attribute href, then we type mail to $sign, type the mail, right? I will type the mail visit Rizwan @hotmail, right? We will save the page and reload the page, but before this we will put the line break, right? When we click it gives us the option using Outlook, Yahoo, etc., right? when we when we set up it, it will send the email using Outlook uh, or Yahoo, etc., right? Now there's one more link is the tel, right? Tel is used for telephone, right? I will press br, href attribute, then tel 0305455 44410, right? We will save it and reload the page, right? When we click on the tallest, right, it tell us you need to install the application of telephone. If we will open this link on a mobile, it will go to our dialer, right? In when we open this page on our mobile phone, it will dial this number, right?